In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize contact form fields on your Wix website. Whether you're managing a business, running a blog, or simply maintaining a personal site, having a fully customized contact form can greatly improve the way you interact with your visitors. This guide is designed to walk you through each step, ensuring that you have a clear and concise contact form that meets your needs. To start, we need to access the Wix website editor. Navigate to your preferred web browser and go to the Wix editor. You may need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once inside the Wix editor, make sure you are on the editor's dashboard. This is where you will have access to all the tools needed to customize your site. Next, locate the contact form on your web page. Click directly on the form and look for the Form Settings option. It should be prominently displayed, and clicking here will open up a world of customization opportunities. These settings are your gateway to modifying how your contact form looks and functions. Now, this is where the customization begins. You'll see various options to modify your form fields. It's important to think about what information you need from your website visitors and how you want this information to be organized. You can rename fields, add new ones, or remove those that aren't necessary to your goals. If you plan to gather more than just a basic name and email, make sure each field is clearly labeled to avoid any confusion for your users. As you continue, consider setting specific conditions for each field. For example, you might want one field to appear only when a certain condition is met, such as when a visitor chooses a particular option from a drop-down menu. Click on the condition settings to outline these parameters. This feature is particularly useful for tailoring the form to gather precise information based on the user's preferences or context. Once you've set up the conditions, move on to the contacts section. Here, you can adjust settings related to how the data collected is managed. Ensure that each piece of information collected is securely stored and organized in a way that suits your follow-up procedures, whether it's reaching out to a potential client or categorizing different types of inquiries. Next, you'll want to take a look at the Choose Fields section. This area allows you to specify additional fields if your form requires them. It's important to review this section and confirm that the selection complements the structure and purpose of your form. Finally, make sure to click on Save once you're satisfied with the customizations. Taking the time to save ensures that all the changes you've made are successfully implemented and will be live on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the contact form fields on your Wix website. This will help you collect exactly the information you need from your audience, creating a more efficient and personalized experience for both you and your site visitors.